In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to wrap text in LibreOffice Calc, a handy feature that ensures all your data is visible within the confines of your spreadsheet cells. Whether you're a seasoned user or a newbie, learning to wrap text can make your spreadsheets look neat and professional. Let's dive right into it. To begin, we need to open LibreOffice on your computer. Once you're in the Start Center, you'll see several options, but for our purpose today, go ahead and click on Calc Spreadsheet. You can either open an existing spreadsheet or create a new one, depending on what you want to work on. Next, we need to focus on selecting the cell or cells that you want to format. If you're dealing with just a single cell, click on it. If there are multiple cells, click and drag over the range you want to modify. This step is crucial as it sets the stage for the adjustments we are about to make to your cell's appearance. Now, let's move on to enabling text wrapping. This feature helps in making sure that all the contents of a cell are visible without having to widen the column. The first method to achieve this is using the toolbar, which is the quickest way. Direct your attention to the top toolbar, where you should find a button labeled Wrap Text. It's represented by an icon that looks like lines with a bent arrow, which symbolizes the text being wrapped. Go ahead and click this button, and you'll notice that the text in your selected cell or cells wraps perfectly, fitting neatly within the container. Alternatively, if you're someone who likes to dig a bit deeper into formatting options, you might prefer using the Format menu. With your desired cell selected, navigate to Format and then click on Cells. You can also access this menu by right-clicking on the cell and choosing Format Cells from the drop-down list. A dialog box will pop up where you'll need to find the Alignment tab. Here, under Properties, you'll see an option labeled Wrap Text Automatically. Simply check this box and then click OK to apply the changes. This method offers a bit more control, allowing you to explore additional formatting features should you choose to do so. And there you have it, the two straightforward ways to ensure all your data is visible and your spreadsheet looks clutter-free in LibreOffice Calc. Remember, using the toolbar is the fastest, but the Format menu provides a more in-depth approach. Feel free to explore both methods to see which one suits your workflow best. Thanks for watching, and make sure to implement these techniques in your next spreadsheet project for a more organized and professional-looking document.